Hello, Randy. Hey, boys and girls. How are you all? So, I'm sure glad I'm doing this in February. Is it February? Yeah, it's February. I'd hate to be up here on top of the roof, working on the roof. It's a little chilly up here. I'm gonna put my hoodie back on. I hope you don't mind. Anyway, can you imagine doing this in June and July when it's like, I don't know, 95 degrees and about 80-90% humidity? That's crazy. As you can see, I'm up on top of the roof. Look at that view. Yeah. Remember, I'm going to be putting 2 more containers up for a second story right here. So there you go. So I wanted to take a break here and kind of show you what I'm doing. You'll see that there's a 3-inch flat bar right here. And the whole idea is to marry these 2 containers, right? You'll notice that if you look real closely, the containers wiggle. The 2 container, this container here, the first one that I put on, it's pretty solid, it's pretty rigid. And the reason it's solid and rigid is because there's a bunch of foam. That closed cell foam really makes a difference. It really sturdies this thing up, squares this up. And this one here is real shaky. So I need to marry these 2 with the flat bar. And so what you need to do, when you start welding, I don't need to tell you welders this, but those that don't weld much, you really don't want any debris, paint and rust and stuff when you weld, because it pops and farts and does all kinds of splatters, and so it's really makes it. And this Corten steel is real dirty metal anyway, and so you need to do the best you can. So I'm taking some acetone. I went and ground it, paint down some rust down, and then I'm gonna take some acetone or MEK. I was going to take acetone, but I don't have it. I just have MEK. So, and then come down and clean all that up, and we'll get busy welding the thing. So I'm assuming that this 3-inch flat bar is going to do a lot to warp on me. So I'm going to have to figure out the best way to do that. And really, there's one, so that's a 20-foot flat bar right there. I'm gonna bring up another one. Oh, you see me bring up that 50-pound welder. That's crazy. I think it's not easy, but anyway, and the other thing is too on this container is one container's the red one is about an 1/8 inch taller than the other one, and so the flat bar is going to be a little bit crooked. I'm not too happy about that flat bar being crooked. It's definitely going to be a challenge, right? So I'll have to figure something out. But it's, as you can see, the weather's not the greatest. It's about 40 degrees and 10% chance of rain. So I kind of want to get in here, grind this down real quick, and get it done. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm getting old. Being on your knees for 20 feet, well, 40 feet, 20 feet one way and 20 feet the other way. We got, what, 40 and 80, we got 80 feet of welding. Hope I have enough welding rod. Anyway, stay tuned.